Hi guys, today we are unboxing the Ajazz AK980 Special Edition. Before we dive in, you know the drill, hit that subscribe button, smash that like and share this video with your keyboard loving friends. Let's jump right in. So I've been using white keyboards for a while now, and honestly I'm kind of bored. I wanted something that screams clean, powerful and premium. And basically I just wanted a black keyboard. So this blacked out beauty, the AK980 Dark Edition from Ajazz. Let's open up this bad boy. Inside we are greeted with a transparent dust cover, and nestled underneath that is the star of the show, the keyboard itself. Also in the box we get a high quality USB-C cable, a keycap puller and the good old user manual, which you'll probably ignore just like me, but hey, it's there. Wow, this thing looks stunning. A 98 key layout, solid build, and that matte black finish gives it a stealthy vibe. Now let's power it up. And there it is, that sweet RGB glow. But wait, this one's got a trick up its sleeve. Check out the little display screen in the top right. Yep, that's a mini customizable screen where you can upload your own GIFs, a perfect touch of personality for your test setup. Alright, I know what you've all been waiting for. Time for the sound test. This thing is a pleasure to type on, especially in low light. The keycaps glow beautifully and overall feel is just premium. And just like most premium RGB keyboards, you've got a full range of lighting effects. The waves, breathing, reactive typing, you name it. And that's it for today's unboxing of the Ajazz AK980 Special Dark Edition. Let me know in the comments what you think about this keyboard and whether you're on Team Black or still sticking with those white keyboards. And before you go, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. This is TechSmoothie signing off. Thank you.